Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a message to a user on the Twitch application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on either the Discover, Browse or Search icons to find that particular user that you are interested in and would like to forward your message to. Tap on this three dots icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the first option, Whisper, and here you should enter messages. However, this user has turned on block whispers from strangers in their privacy settings and must start the conversation you first, meaning that you are not able to start this conversation. So you should find another user to whom you can send a message to. So you should search for another user and repeat these steps. And all you have to do is tapping on the enter new message box down below, enter your message. You can add an emoji as well and send it by tapping on the send icon. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.